ES short. I'll try to be in the NQ short too. Put that on the wrong account.
I've been saying it. I said it all morning. I said they're going to push it up, take it down. They just did it prior to the news. Otherwise, I'd have been in this short. I just took one contract short right after the news just to get in something.
Yeah. If this breaks down any lower, this has got to go. Oh yeah. I don't normally like to do this, but I'm gonna put a sell stop in here.
Just below this
on the ES, and I think I'm gonna do it on the NQ as well. I'm pretty much guaranteed targets on those. Yeah, and take a set like certain amount of tick risk.
Got target off on the ES. I got in on the ES with you.
Seems like that's a bear flag thing. I mean, that technically, based on the big tick chart, that technically should have kept running down. There we go. It should have. Now you gotta have a wide stop, so this is probably going to be a losing trade for me, but we'll see.
On the ES?
Yeah, because I'm not going to keep my stop. I'm not going to let it come back and grab my.
I got targets off and free and clear at this point. You're good. It's
I got target off. I just didn't want to be
short. ES
too tight
and
with the stop behind it.
I think I should have took that more than one contract on the NQ, but oh well.
Well,
it played out exactly the way I had planned it out this morning.
Keep on pushing down, huh?
The only thing, it just did it before the news for me. If it wasn't for that, it'd been a sweet trade. Keep going, baby.
Here we go.
Just see ya.
All right, let me try to figure out what account this on.
All my accounts. I think I got that on that account. That account. Yep, I'm good.
Get this. What account is that? That's that on. What account is this one on? If those are both the same account, that's gonna be silly. No, they're not. Okay. Oh, it's gonna come back and get me. Dang it. Keep going down. Nope.
I might get that little push up for those people that didn't get in. Might get another shot at it. Imagine being at the top up there. Oof. Stretch, did you get in? Somebody? Bet Stretch is short.
Somebody.
He's not answering me today. He's not talking.
Mad at you.
He's mad.
All right. Well, it's got me flat, so I'm gonna try to show that, but okay. Maybe a little rally. You can look at selling.
Yeah, exactly what you're gonna get. So push up to do it again.
Look around some of this stuff here. Do we want to try to short on the CL?
CL.
Looks like one's setting up. And I need to get if I can get a decent little like setup on the short for the ES and NQ, I think I'd have to do it.
Maybe below the pivot on the CL. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Gotta find a way to get back. Yeah. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm just looking for a way to
figure out to get back in short.
I'm telling you, it's a short. It's gonna.
I know it is. I almost just had to press the sell button there.
Yeah, it's kind of how I feel.
And then NQ's got to run for the pivot here. He should just done a pure hook of stochastic.
I just pushed the sell button because I'm telling you,
have to do it. Yeah,
it's gonna go.
Yeah. That was about all the rally you had, huh? A little bit of rally and back off to the downside. They keep trying to push it back up. Well, I guess what they're doing is just taking retail stops every time they push back up. The retail people with stops too tight. Okay, what account is this on? It's 3. See if I can move this one over in time before it comes and gets me. So there's an NQ short. I pretty much just did the same thing you did. I was like, gotta get in short on this somehow. I had a little bit of a retrace there that I got back in on.
That's
And
what I did.
that's about the best I could do. I don't know. I'm trying to think target here. I'm thinking target should be there. But then if it breaks there, it's going to keep going. So like,
My big target on NQ 600. That's what I'm aiming for. I don't know. It's a big swing, but I think it gets down there. So I'm going to try to find a way to hold this one contract.
600?
Yeah.
Oh, I could handle that.
I really do think it's going to get down there. I mean, now it's obviously going to go up and down a million times before then, but if you can afford to hold one contract. Yeah, and this is what we're going to do, but I think we're going to keep making lower lows every time on its way down. I'll let it come back up and get in it again. Hey, I'm just adding money to the coffers here every single time. Okay with that? Approaching $1,000 a day. I'm okay. Sure beats going to work.
Oh.
How was the traffic? Terrible, I bet.
Not that bad.
No?
No, I took the express lane. Even though I don't have the pass here for it, I was just like, forget it. I'll pay the fee they give me.
What is the fee? Like
I
$10?
I don't really care. Yeah, something like that. Not enough for me to think about even sitting in traffic. How about that?
No, not worth that. You can get home. You can get back here and make that money back.
I just did.
That's what I'm saying.
I just
pay
did.
The fine. It's cheaper to pay the fine.
It was a 400.
That's
$500 almost right there.
Yeah.
And then the first trade I took was another 400. So I'm in sitting at like $900 just from coming back here and plopping my butt down.
Really want to.
Well, that was convenient. Now I got a bunch of other accounts to trade, but
yeah, me too.
I got 350 on one, 12 on another, 4 right at 500 on another, so close to 1,000.
Yeah, I'm right about that. About the same.
Got a couple more here. Let's see. I want to do. Let's see. And that one probably. Let me try it. Let's see here. Yeah, CL's not gonna make it go short. We try to take that long, huh?
Yeah, it's creeping straight up. Like a little pullback on GC to go long.
Yeah, I was about to say that. GC looks like it might be ready to want to take the long. All right, we might be getting set up here on the ES. Let's look. I don't think I have any problems trying
Globex
that.
highs. What the Globex highs on? Yeah, we can.
Well, then there's always a Crable today too.
Yeah, well, we busted the Crable, didn't we?
Well, the 10 o'clock news was the Crable, right? So.
Yeah. 10 o'clock news was the Crable. Well, no, I mean we still have it. It's still available.
I'd look at a breakout of either one. I mean, looking back at this chart here, below where we're at, lots of selling. Above the high today, lots of buying. I mean, that's something I would look at if it did it right. Let's see if this sets up right for the short here. Almost like you have to just try to get in it, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, give me a big tick chart setup. I'll take it.
Just trying.
Maybe you do it like right here. Sell stop in below this
Yep.
wick. What's that low right there? That's
Right. 89,
uh
70, 89, 25,
94.
89.
So yeah, 89, 70.
89, 75, 89.
That's
Yeah,
weird.
89, 75.
Yeah. Why am I? Yeah, 89, 75. It's a bigger trade, but I mean, the big tick chart says it's setting up there, doesn't it?
Look, there it goes. Wow.
Big tick chart said yes. I mean, technically we should have our stop up here, but that's going to take my
There we
stop right
go.
away.
Target filled.
Let's see. Target a little tight. I'm going to do a little bit more aggressive target here. And wow.
I know. Money, money.
Down.
Money, money.
That was
Oh,
no, don't
crap.
take my
It took my target. Damn it. I couldn't move my target fast enough.
Get out of here.
Son of a gun. This is the
Now
one
we're
that's going to
going.
run through you watch. You bastard. I couldn't move my damn target. I clicked it. It wouldn't move fast enough. Oh. Well.
Oh, it's going to come take my stop. You actually probably had a pretty good target there.
Okay. I guess I got lucky. I really thought this was going to run.
I thought it was going to run too. That's why I moved my target out of the way. Should have left it there. Dang it. Now they're going to get me.
Okay.
They're going to get me.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Okay.
Maybe.
We keep going then. We keep going.
Maybe
Let me
not.
switch accounts. That's
Maybe
enough
not.
in one account. That's enough money for one day in that
Go.
account.
Go
It
down.
doesn't
Down.
need
Down. Run. There's a lot of support there, I guess. I mean, if it breaks here, your real target is down here, though.
Mm-hmm.
If it
I'm
breaks
telling
there.
you, this is the one I thought was going to run.
Does break,
almost tempted to get in it again.
If it breaks, it's going. If it breaks as low over here,
mm-hmm.
I probably need to go down a couple ticks. I'm gonna stop here.
Oh, you're still in it?
So I don't get it. Yeah, just
you're still in it.
missing.
Oh, it got me.
No,
that's gonna tick me off.
I think I've been better off having your target because I kind of want to pull this down and then have the breakout option later. It's gonna try to come back up and take my stop. The best stop I can see right now is 86.25. I mean, that would be the next natural target right there. Well, maybe it will continue to break down.
Yeah,
I mean, if it were me, I would look at below this low here.
Take a breakout right
75.75, so 75.50. That's where I'd look at it because I mean, based on the chart, you still have, if it's about to do it now, you still have down to, right, 67. So that's still 8-point potential. If it breaks this low now, it's 8-point potential. It'd have to go below 75.50 though. Oh man, I might do 85 now as a stop. Save me a couple ticks if it doesn't break through, because it did pop up there before. That's where good support area, I guess. No, I mean, it doesn't even show that as support on the daily, though, does it? Oh, there it goes. Now I can use that as a stop. And where am I going with this? I mean, that's a real target. This is probably the better target here. I mean, I don't want to get too greedy on this. Let's try to make that. So, which one, Paul? The prior swing high at 9 or 7? Or the prior swing high at 7, or this
right there without getting too greedy.
Prior swing high at 7. All right, let's do that. I mean, it's gonna maybe it won't take my stop. I don't know. Been a minute.
I tried that breakout and it got me.
Oh yeah,
I should have just.
That's tough. Well, you'd have to go. I mean, what you'd have to do? You'd have to get
It was just $80. I can live with that.
75, 50. So you have to go. What was the low there? What? That should have gotten a target.
No, it one ticked me and then reversed up.
Oh, that should have totally hit a target.
No.
75.25 to the low on that candle was
I got in a little late.
72.75. Oh, you got in late. That's on
Yeah.
you though, man.
I hesitated. Yeah, I hesitated.
That's
all
on
right.
you.
It's no big deal. Hell, I'm still pretty darn green, so I don't
Yeah, I'm gonna
believe
switch
this is
this
going to
account out
kill me
too.
too much.
All right, well that's another countdown. Let's move on to another one. On to the next one. I got two left. Two accounts left. All right, well, way better Friday than I thought it was gonna be, considering what I had to do. I'm gonna have to make a phone call in a second.
Does it go back again?
Shoot, man. Well, I got to make a phone call bad.
All right, go make a phone call.
I mean, I'm just gonna...
Does it take a while?
No, you know who I'm calling. Flight was at 10. Flight's at 10:30.
Oh.
Yeah, so just give me a couple minutes.
Yeah, call. Hmm.
Never mind. I guess I'm old news.
You don't count.
Oh man, you want to try to short this again? I don't like that it ran back up like that, man.
Yeah.
The only thing I do like about this, is this is a good level. On the ES, I do like that it's a really good level. I don't like that it's gotten rejected a few times on this push down. Now we might look at a CL long here in a second, if you want to, or even a GC long.
Yeah, GC is what I'm waiting for.
And I almost said something about taking that 6E short, but this ES is setting up for a short. I pick the one you want. I don't know if I want to go to the well again on the ES and NQ. I got my picked my fruit off those trees already.
I think this GC or the ES is probably short here. Might be worth another try.
Yeah,
if it can,
I think I'm gonna pass on this one because they're gonna push this back up. If anything, take the long.
Yeah.
All right, MGC long maybe here in a minute.
Possible.
Starting to get a little oversold on stochastics there for GC. Man, I really did think about that 6E short. Now I'm kind of kicking myself for not saying something to you about it. I mean, that was a good setup too.
Let's watch the GC. I gotta change this real quick.
Try to. I'm looking at MGC. I'm looking at GC on the big chart, but
Or MGC. When I say GC, I'm trade micros. I don't.
You got me switched to MGC as well. I
Yeah,
mean,
I
I can
don't
take
even
more trades on
touch
MGC.
gold. And yeah, what I've found out is I have so much more room. It gives me more winning trades because I
So
just
there
can't
could
give
be
it the
an
room in
entry
GC.
at it's at like now.
Yeah, I'm trying to switch my account over and I can't do it fast enough.
I don't know if I want to take that
Damn
kind of
it.
risk though. I just got I just banked like $1,500 and I'm kind of like, do I really want to do something else for a minute?
That's like stepping in and just making money right off the rip. So nothing like stepping in making $1,500 real quick, right?
Yeah, I mean, worked for 20 minutes, made $1,500. I might call it a week.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't as good as last week. I mean, last week I was fucking really gangbuster for me, and that long on MGC would have worked. I just didn't want to take the risk on it. Did you do it?
I couldn't get I was trying to get in it. I couldn't get it switched over fast enough. That was what I wanted. Yeah.
Look at that short out of just booming down on the ES and NQ.
Yeah, I told you it was going to set back up again. I still think this is going
short,
down. I'm holding that one contract. I'm just
you
gonna
still
hold
got
it.
one contract short?
It either takes me out as a break even or
a big win.
It goes all the way down there. One of the
600?
two. 600 is the target I got.
All right.
But I mean that's a long ways down there. I'll give you that, but it's got a lot of reason why I could get down there. So
okay. You're making a case that I could get on board with. I'll take another trade.
Don't get fooled by all these little pushes up. This thing's going down.
I mean, if you really want to look at it that way, it could all get down to 200, 250 from the Globex low if you really wanted to look at it that way.
Yeah, if you really want to, yeah. Yeah, that's true. But
press the sell
I'll
button,
take 600 and be pretty damn hungry or pretty damn happy. 600.
At 600, yeah. Let's see. Let me put something.
That's another thing that the big tick trade these bigger ticks. Like I was going to suggest to you that we can go even a little bit bigger, but I've been peaking at a 4,500.
On what? ES?
Yeah, on both. I'm just using that as kind of my higher time frame. Like thing.
You get way less trades, but I'm sure they're
way less trade. But when they set up
trades,
yeah, when they set up, they're money, great money. A lot of those big ones that I'm telling you about, where I got that long target, is from that higher tick chart. So I'm not saying that's a daily trade thing, but it's definitely worth having one up and looking at it.
I gotta take this call.
Go for it. I think he's probably going to bounce long here. Yep. Yes, also. Dang, I missed that freaking gold. Couldn't switch it over fast enough. That would have been a huge trade. Does anybody take gold? We were talking about it. Is anybody here? Anybody trading? Who's here? Real quiet from the chat box this morning. It's getting quiet. Well, that long would have worked. Now comes your short. Shorty, yes. Yeah. Yep. Right here. The NQ didn't quite set up yet. It's trying to, though.
All right. So we're done for the week, right?
Pretty much. I don't see the reason to continue.
No, not if we don't get a
I
clean
mean, we
setup.
definitely not gonna go past 12. I don't think 11 or 12. Shorty, yes, is what I
I'm
said
not touching
earlier.
this crap, man.
I got my target off,
Oh,
but that's all I got. So
sitting on the sideline for now.
now it's just chop crap chop.
Slap chop. Was that thing that's something that Billy Mays used to sell? The slap chop? No?
What Billy
Am I making
Mays?
this up? The slap chop?
Is he the one that died?
Yeah, yeah. He was a. He's starting.
He the
Flex Seal
powder. Yeah.
He did all the stuff.
Flex Seal and what was the detergent or the cleaning powder, that the laundry detergent? OxyClean. Wasn't that him?
OxyClean, yes. Made it famous.
I think he was sniffing his OxyClean is what it was.
He was definitely sniffing his OxyClean.
He couldn't figure out what was what.
I was like, whatever, just give it to me, I'll sell it. Nobody in here participating today, huh?
There's my short.
By the way,
there's your shizzle.
A couple people getting Dude 1 messages.
Dude, it's not Dude 1. It's Dude
You're
Fake.
You're never going to get messages from me directly.
No, we will not reach out to you, ever.
Not on Discord, because that's dangerous. If you need something, use the designated channels. Tech help, training request, contact admin, stuff like that. Yeah. I have two accounts to trade. If I trade them, if I don't see anything out here I want to trade right now.
No.
No. Yeah, no. Definitely nothing.
Wow,
I still kick myself for not doing that 6E short. I would have knocked another account off
6E? Well, you'd have took that freaking gold short long. We'd have been
What are you
Dude,
talking about?
that gold long.
Oh, the gold
GC,
long. Yeah,
MGC?
yeah.
Heck yeah. That's a freaking $700 micro trade. That's the kind of trades I get at night.
We'll get one.
Which I killed again last night, by the way. Thank you very much.
Way to go, Tom. I mean, oh, you killed it as in you made money.
Killed it as in I made money. Yeah.
Too hippity for me right now.
Too hippity. Hippity hoppity.
Entry on MGC's being asked for. What would it have been?
What would have been your entry on MGC? I don't know. Why do you ask these tough questions like that? It would have been, where was it? It was right here, right? 1021-ish. It would have been right around 69. 69.5, I guess, somewhere around there. I don't know. I couldn't get switched over fast enough. I was wanting to wait for a bounce off a level I have there. And so 69 to 80, so about 20 points. 20, yeah, more than that. Darn good trade.
It would have worked. Would have worked. All right.
If you look at your,
Do we think 6E long if it gets a little bit lower?
yeah, we could
it's
probably
almost
do that.
It's almost to a level. Got a decent level. Got the pivot. Got the VWAP 89. Decent level too. There'll be some contracts coming in there. I mean, there's not. I mean, I think I would look at an RTY short up here. Where it came from, and look at
right off this.
the
Just a little
level,
higher. A little higher.
I think it's a pretty good level where it's at.
Okay.
All right, it was a prior marked level.
I'll take it if you take it.
I had it marked off prior, so I've had this level for a little while now.
What, 63.89 short? No,
let's look at this
that's
for a second.
Chart.
Yeah, give it a second.
Sorry, wrong chart.
Yeah, I actually like this level a lot. So I can see, but I'm not getting in any kind of hurry here. But yeah, actually, it'd have to be below that wick. That's a low.
The only issue I see,
48.3, so 48.2.
Yeah, because I mean, this could. Yeah,
I'm gonna put it in.
I like it a little higher, but okay, I'll put it in with you.
I just like this as a level.
Do it here on this one.
Because if it so the last time it broke, here, look at this too. That low is 48.4. Last time it broke 48.3, it went straight down.
So what are you saying? 48.
I'm in at 48.2, but it should be technically 48.3. But I don't think it matters if it breaks. It's going to take off, I would imagine. And you could also just wait for this candle. You got 160 ticks left.
Only thing is, okay.
Well, here's what I think about it: is if it does break there. Well, I got some. I mean, all right. Let's see. I'm gonna do these two first targets really fast, just to, and put this at the right swing.
I just think
put it on. That's a little too high.
I just think this has got higher in it. This might be a. We'll see.
Fake out.
Come on, baby. I'm in. Yeah, a little scary, but we'll see. I'm willing. I'm in it. Eyes in it.
Well, seemed like it'd be a good setup. Big tick chart
It
did say
just
it was a setup though. It's on a now again, like I said, if we wanted to wait for this candle, we probably would have had a better chance to put a sell stop in. We could do that, close it out for a small loss here, and then put a sell stop in.
yeah, I'm
So taking
out.
full
I'm
full
not
loss.
leaving this in. Yeah, I'm out. I took $100 loss
Let's
on
pop
that.
down. Oh, well, I'm gonna be at $300 worse all said and done.
Yeah, I just didn't like it.
Oh god.
107.
Try to let it pop down there
And
and give me a little. Oh well. You know what? It's supposed to be the trade. So I think we just prematurely did it. Put the sell stop in here. Oh, yeah, one loser. Get on, going back down there. You know you want to. Nope. You're gonna take me flat. Alright, switching that account out. Now again, the ES and the NQ are setting up.
it's setting up for crap.
Ugh.
Like the you can almost honestly you could take this long.
RTY.
I think so. I think you got a ways. It's going to go up a little. And that's what I was saying. A little bit higher is where I would have been a little more comfortable with that short. But I think a break up here is. You know, yep. So this is the area where this is a make or break right here.
I just got into it a little too early, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Just needed to go a little higher.
Just got into it just a little too early there.
Like this breakout. Now you get your setup. You on a 500 tick? That's probably why.
600. I thought I was on 600.
You're 600? Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. Ah, 6E took off on the long without me. Should have been watching that. Should have just waited. You're right. We should have just waited for that candle to finish. Still, yes, NQ, they're setting up for bigger shorts. Or long. I mean.
Yeah, right now it's basically it's consolidating up or down. There's no telling.
Let's see.
NQ above 934. There's your breakout on RTY.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna keep my profits for the week.
I just want to get my $100 back. There you go. Target off.
Oh, you took it long?
Yeah. That's what I was saying. To me, I've got it. I got to target up a little higher before I would consider the short. So it's all I'm going to get. I'm tightened up. All right, and I'm flat. All right. Well, I'm still down. $47.
Hey, there you go. Big ballin'.
It's going to go, though. I should have held it because it is going to go. May have pulled a Tom. Just may have pulled a Tom. This is
I should have been done with the trading when I said I was done. I still don't think that was a bad decision. What's this low right here? 51.1.
what the?
Or take the longs because you got the breakouts. Now they really want to be long, don't they? And it's about to be above this area, like I said on the ES here, where I would look at a breakout one way or the other. So, am I going to take a breakout? No.
I've lost my MQ chart.
But
well, where did you go?
I gotta be honest, Paul. I could go without this last account being traded. To be honest with you, I don't have anything that's gonna keep me. Huh?
I said, you want to stop? We can stop. I don't have a problem with it.
Let's see. Is it even 11 yet?
No.
Oh. I love it.
40.
Came in, worked for 25 minutes, made $1,000, gave back 400 or 1,500, gave back 400. Should have kept my $1,500. It sure does look like it needs to be shorted, though, doesn't it?
It does. It does.
Oh, man. A lot. There's a pretty good sized wicks on top there.
Man, GC.
Oh, shoot. We missed a perfect pullback on CL for the long. Silly Brian. That would have been hard to stay in, though, but still.
Now you might be getting that set up on the RTY.
For the short?
Yep.
I'm mad at RTY.
Why does it look different? Why does it look different on here?
I'm mad at RTY.
You're mad at it?
Yeah. Took my money.
Bastard.
Yeah.
I like
anybody still left?
Bag.
Are you guys out there?
Nah, everybody's done, man. They're all gone.
They're all done. I'm trying to consider if I want to do this short on the ES or NQ. This is just no. This is stupid. Here's the thing. The price doesn't know which way it wants to go. I can't. I'm not going to trade that. There was a very clear direction earlier. There is no clear direction for me, Paul.
Then we don't trade, or we just wait.
Wait, maybe for a GC long would be my. I don't want to touch the indices right now because I mean this is a situation where you get into trade, it should work, goes down, one ticks your target, pulls back up, takes your stop, turns around, goes back in the direction. All they're doing is taking freaking retail stops right now, and I'm not going to be that person. Get my retail stop taken. I'd rather wait for a decent little pullback here on the GC. Maybe a clean little setup, get one of those little linear swings, and make that the end of my week.
Hey, another PSA here. Again, I know Brian said it earlier, but we will not ever message you directly on Discord. If you get a friend request, if you get a message from us, unless we specifically told you we're going to message you, it won't come from us. It's not us. It is not us.
Yeah, but somebody's giving good trading advice, so I don't know what it is.
Yeah, at least they're giving good. That is the good thing. At least they're giving good trading advice.
At least
that was so AI. You could tell that was so AI.
Oh yeah, well, I would never talk like that. And
no, I was like, yeah, that's what I said.
Especially to that person, I would not talk like that to.
This is not you.
No, you would never hear me. How many misspelled words were there? None. Okay, it wasn't me doing it.
And when they ask you to put money in an account somewhere to trade for it, no, don't do that. If you're going to send any money, just let me know. I'll be happy to give you my address. You can send it to me.
I'll give you a PO box. You can send it to.
Yeah, you can send it, but just don't be starting any accounts because we're going to quote unquote trade your thing. No, we are not.
Do we do the breakout long on RTY then?
Yeah, told you. RTY is going to. Let me tell you where RTY is going. Ready?
To the moon.
658. No. I'm sorry.
658.
657. Maybe? Or is that too much of a stretch?
I don't know.
That might be a bit of a stretch.
It's just a couple clicks up there. It's not that far.
Well, that's a lot for RTY right now, the way it's moving.
Really? I don't think so.
Just a
It
freaking.
did break above this. Actually, you're right. I mean, 56.50 would be the next stop. Then pretty darn close to 59 would be the next stop after that. If it continues up. No, this is gonna be one of those things where they're toying with retail. I'm not gonna do this. This is not a game that's gonna be played by me. Yes, I will not play that game. See my shorts there working out on the ES and NQ?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the ones that's the ones we should have been looking at. Or the long on 6E, like I said. I don't know.
Yeah, you are right about that.
I wish should have kept my eye on 6E instead of trying to get that stupid RTY short. And now it's going to make and actually turn out to be a good trade, RTY short. But not gonna do it. Not gonna do it.
Not gonna do it.
Been nifty if we found a way to get in that GC long again, but it didn't set up any way, form, or fashion to.
It wasn't
to
a
try
clean
to do
entry, though. Is the only problem. Yeah.
Now, here's a thought. We've turned back up on the higher time frames, and lower time frames are getting buy signals on the NQ and E. Well, never mind.
Well,
That's
going
just
down.
as I said it. They were going down.
You meet me in the
Should have taken that
Cubs.
short.
Going down.
It's going down. Meet me at the mall. It's going down.
Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Was it? Well, Burger, shit. I knew my RTY short idea was good, and you were right with it being a little bit higher. I was basing it on this last swing.
Woo! Looky.
What?
Somebody. I'm talking. What'd we do?
What happened?
We go full nuclear on Greenland? What happened?
What are you
Dumping.
talking
about? My market's dumping. All of mine are.
Well, they're selling. Yeah, they sold before the news.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
I was trying to figure out a way to get in these shorts. That would have been nifty. There's nobody listening to us whatsoever, guaranteed.
No, not a soul.
There's nobody listening to us. Let's see. They're like, there's 3 people on YouTube watching, I guess. Or 1. Is that you?
No, I'm not on today.
Jockap's here. Okay, at least one person hanging around with us. I just can't get myself in a long thought process. But by gosh, I was trying to say that I just can't. I'm not buying this market. There's no way I'm buying this market. Sit here for a little bit longer, try to find a short, and then go and get on out of here. Call it a week here in a little bit. All right, what do you want to do? Wait for a little rally, try to do a sell stop below on a breakout, or nothing?
Right now, probably nothing. No.
Well, if it continues to break down, again, that's what I said about the top side of this thing on the ES, and same thing on the NQ. Break out on this little swing here. I mean, this is not, you don't break out of this area one way or the other. I'm in. Oh wow, and that was I forgot to change this 4500 tick.
Okay, how's that working out?
Well, I was just looking at it because actually 2200. Because you said the 4500 tick, and I was looking at it, and I was like, man, this is setting up pretty well. And then on go to 2000 tick, it looks like garbage. It, that is interesting though, because on the 4500 tick, you only had 2 setups. One failed, one big winner. On the 2000 tick, you had 1, 2, 3 failed setups, 4, but that was a winner. That's not common.
I mean, it's just, I mean, look at it over time and see, but
Yeah, get in this short.
I'm kind of, my mentality is kind of flipped around. Now I like it the bigger time frame.
The bigger the tick, the better.
Mm-hmm. Like you said, you don't get as many trades. You sit here in silence for a while, but man, when you do get them, I mean, my average trades now are
way bigger.
$500, $600, $700.
4 or 5. Yeah, if I don't have a $400 or
versus
$500 trade,
$100, $200, and I got to
yeah.
take 20 trades to make the same amount of money I can take in one.
I want to be
2
short.
trades. I know. I was just about to say, should have just took that little pause right there. We should have just jumped in.
What pause?
When my tick strike went silent for a second, we should have just hit.
The moment it went silent.
They were taking a breath. Taking a breath. That's all it was doing. Meet me in the club. It's going down. I got that song.
Get that stuck in your head. Oh, David's still here. All right, we got a couple people still here. I'm still considering this as a bear flag, Paul.
Yeah.
God. It's tempting. I'm gonna keep sitting on the sidelines for a minute longer. Yeah, that's one account I want to trade, but I'm not in that big of a hurry.
I want to get that freaking one account red or green. I'm probably not going to trade the rest of my accounts today. I'm pretty green on the ones I got.
Yeah, I mean, if we get some,
I'm gonna see if I can get this one green, and then that may be it for me for the week.
If we get some kind of clean swing here in the next little bit, I'd be okay trading it, like a nice little clean swing up for a short. Would do that. Okay. But GC's too choppy right now. CL actually had a clean swing to the upside, but again, theme of the morning, missed the trade. And I'd rather be looking at a long on CL than we already know what we're trying. Maybe this is a little rally up. We try one short, and if it doesn't work right, maybe we call it a week. What do you think?
Okay.
It's 11. Let's see. Maybe we get one little swing here. I don't have to trade this, and I can leave that one account red. I don't give a crap. I'm actually going to leave that one account red.
I probably will too, but it's going to bug me.
Okay, then put a micro on somewhere.
That's what I'm saying. I could literally just trade it micros on the next push down and get out of that.
I'll just leave that. You're getting a hook. Next day. Hey, Stretch is still here too. Stretch said something. See, I told you he didn't want to talk to you. He just wanted to talk to me.
I know Stretch don't like me.
He didn't say fine. A word till I showed up.
That's all right. I still like him. I got no problem with Stretch.
Good dude. Just a good dude. I don't want that trade from here. It needs to go up. And if a failed short signal happens, I am
It's like
gonna be
ES is a
like,
long.
nah, yeah, like nope, this is long. All right, here's a short signal on a smaller tick chart. I don't like it on the big tick chart. Like you said, if anything, it's long.
If it
Oh, and
fail, if
by the
this
way,
short
this
signal,
it just ticked right into the low of the last breakout on the long side. So I guess technically, if it did break above this one more tick, that's long. I I I'm just not gonna trade it because that's silly. Yeah. Yep.
begin to close.
Yep.
Yep. There you go.